Hi everyone, hope you're keeping well. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna share my screen and I'm gonna show you guys how to use one of the automation software to get more leads, prospects, or partners for your network business. So basically what we're gonna do is we'll have to go to any group on Facebook, so the group you are a member of. Now we go into this tab, people or members, depends on your version, and you can see there is like loads of people in that group, and this software is gonna send friend requests to those people. So software calls Genius Connector. I have a licenses for this software as a reseller, and we can set up a couple things here. So how often software is gonna send a friend request to every single person, so anywhere between 30 to 60 seconds, every 3 minutes, every 5 minutes, or every 9 minutes. For the beginning, I would recommend 9 minutes or 5 minutes. And then you can progress to 3 minutes, but that's the safest options. For the demo purposes, I'm gonna do anywhere between 30 and 60 seconds, and a program is gonna send a friend request to next person. I'm gonna limit that to maybe 3 requests for now for the demo, but you can set up as an infinity or limit to whatever number you want. Resume from the last search. I'm gonna set up here for 30, and also we can select the keywords. I'm gonna go through that feature later, and negative keywords. Also, program can send a message along with the friend request. So I'm gonna hit run. Sometimes we need to refresh that page. So we're gonna do this now. I'm refreshing that page in the group, and I'm gonna go again, and we're gonna do run. And as you can see, software starting sending friend request. So the first person from the number 30, that's where I set. Not everyone is gonna get your friend request. So let's say you see Karen James, she has friend request not available because that's her settings in her profile, so no one can send her friend request. But majority, so 99% of the people will have that feature on. And as you can see, software is sending a friend request to fourth person. So it will take anywhere between 30 and 60 seconds, and then software will move to the next person, which is Alicia. Alicia is gonna get my friend request as well. So that's finished, and next person. So very handy. The most important thing is about the software. So you'll have to leave this tab open, yeah? So software is working on this tab, but in meantime, you can do whatever you want. So you can open new tab, you can open a new browser and do your own stuff. It doesn't have to be Facebook. You can go anywhere online or offline, or you can go for a walk, you can go to work and leave that software on. So what I'm doing is whenever I'm leaving home, I'm putting that software, sending, let's say, for 30 requests or for a couple hours, leaving that software on. And he's doing the job. On average, I'm getting anywhere between 20 and 30% acceptance, and people just depends on the group also which one you searching. It will be different figures, but as you can see, so 2 person got my friend request when I'm recording this, when I'm talking to you, and I don't do anything. So yeah, as I said, you can go for a walk. If you have a full-time job, you can go to work for 8-9 hours and leave that software on. So when you come back, you'll have around, let's say 30, 40, 50 maybe friends requests sent already, and you can work with those people just in the messenger. So yeah, great feature. As I said before, you can also send a message along with the friend requests. You can set this up here. Keywords and negative keywords. So keywords are literally those here. So as you can see, research and development engineer. Yeah, so that's the keyword. So if I would put engineer or anything like that, software would look only for this keyword and would skip the other. People, not everyone has that feature, so that's why I didn't set this up. But as you can see, medical, that's the keyword, doctor. Yeah, that's all the keywords, or we can use the negative keywords. So if we don't want anyone, let's say with this keyword medical, we put as a negative keyword, and that person will be skipped straight away. So as you can see, very nice features. Three friend requests has been sent already while I was talking to you guys, and as I said, you can set up different combination. So 3, 5, 9 minutes. I would recommend definitely 9 minutes for the start, and then you can leave either infinity or let's say 40 friend requests if you're going for a couple hours, and then software will be doing that job for you. So yeah, guys, if you find the value in this software, if you like to try it, just give me a shout, send me a message, or contact me anywhere, and I will hook you up with this software. I'm doing very special at the moment, so it's really worth to reach out to me and use that automation to grow your business. No matter if you're starter or if you're pro, it will work on Facebook for you. Definitely getting new leads and new prospects, anywhere between 25 and 50 quid a month. That's what I charge for this software. But as I said, you're gonna get very special from me if you reach out to me as soon as possible, and I will hook you up with that. So hope you have a great day. Thank you for watching this video, and I talk to you soon, guys. Thank you.